I'm going to share my strategy for making six figures from content creation with you. I believe in this so much, I recently quit my six-figure software engineering job. This strategy has come from hours of research and I've distilled it down to share with you. I'm also going to be implementing it and sharing the journey and results with you, so stay tuned. If you're anything like me, you've caught yourself daydreaming at your desk, imagining what it would be like to be your own boss, wondering what it would be like to wake up every morning excited to create something that you're passionate about. Well, I'm going to show you exactly why I think content creation, and no, I'm not talking OnlyFans here, could be your ticket to freedom. Not in 10 years, not in 5, but maybe in as little as 12 months. I'm going to be your case study and documenting the journey. In this video, we're going to cover 3 parts. Why I think content creation is such a great option, how content creators make money, and the various content creation platforms, along with their pros and cons, what I'm choosing, and some recommendations for you. Why I think YouTube is a great option. Let's start by being clear. I've not done this yet. I'm at the start of my journey and I'm sharing it with you. I truly believe that with a good strategy and stacking the deck in your favor, replacing and even exceeding your full-time income with content creation, and YouTube in particular, is very, very achievable. I quit my six-figure software engineering job. Do you need any more evidence that I really believe this? I'm not some pioneer here breaking untouched ground. Many people have gone down the path and made YouTube a full-time gig. Many have built million-dollar businesses from their YouTube base. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, I want to share some fantastic advice that I was given recently. Everything you do will be a success, and everything you try, you'll like it. Best case, you succeed or you like the thing. Worst case, you learn from it, and you'll never have regret over trying or starting. Now let's talk some numbers. The average salary in the UK is £31,000. In the US, it's $55,000. But here's what's exciting. Reaching and exceeding those numbers through content creation is a completely achievable goal. And no, you don't need millions of subscribers to do it. But wait, I hear you say, isn't it too late to start YouTube? Isn't YouTube saturated? Well, the data says otherwise. The creator economy was worth around $127 billion in 2023. In 2027, it's projected to hit $287 billion. And by 2030, a staggering $528 billion. Think about it. Traditional advertising means spending thousands of pounds to reach people who couldn't care less about your message. But on YouTube, on social media, you're connecting with the exact right audience. That's why brands are shifting their entire marketing budgets to creators like they never have before. This is just the advertising side of things, which, as we'll see in a second, is a small percentage of many creators' income, as long as they get their strategy right. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need to be Mr. Beast to make this work. I've studied countless creators who have built six-figure businesses with way less than 100,000 subscribers. The secret? Well, you need a strategic approach, authentic content, and consistent execution. All of which I'm going to break down for you. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. YouTube is actively promoting smaller channels because they realise that more creators means more ad revenue. And that's exactly where opportunity lies, for you and for me. How do people actually make money on YouTube? Let's start with the most basic form of content creation income, AdSense. When you watch a YouTube video and you see those adverts, the creator gets a cut of that ad revenue. For YouTube, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from those ads. There's also the TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram Reel Bonus, and I'm pretty sure LinkedIn are going to launch their own version soon. YouTube pays creators based on something called CPM. That's cost per milli, or how much you as the creator earn per 1,000 views. And here's where it gets interesting. The rate they pay dramatically varies by niche. Let's break down what this means in real numbers. A high CPM niche, like making money online, can pay $13.50 per 1,000 views. To make $55,000, you need about 4 million views per year. You break that down to 100 videos, that's 40,000 views each. A medium CPM niche, like lifestyle content, can pay $3.47 per 1,000 views. For that, you'd need about 15.8 million yearly views, or 158,000 views for 100 videos. A lower CPM niche like gaming can pay $1.40 per 1,000 views. So for this one, you'd need 39.3 million yearly views, or for 100 videos, around 393,000 views each. But here's the exciting thing. AdSense is just the beginning, and it's often a really small percentage of a creator's income. Most creators think of it as free money, as you're already creating the content to drive people to your other revenue streams. So AdSense is just a bonus. You can replace your income through just AdSense, but that's playing the game on hard mode, and we definitely don't want to do that. Let me show you how successful creators actually build their income. First up is sponsorships. Once you build an engaged audience, even a really small one, companies will pay you to reach that audience. And these rates are way higher than AdSense. For example, if you have 10,000 subscribers who are engaged in your content in, say, a business niche, you can easily get paid 1 to 2K for a 60-second integration into your video. Do this twice a month and that's already a solid income stream. And remember, the bigger and more engaged your audience, the more you can charge. The second way is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and get commission when people buy them through your link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it works even with a small audience, as long as they trust your recommendations. Watch any dropshipping, print on demand, or AI tutorial, and these are all stuffed with affiliate links. In fact, you'll find a huge amount of this content is made just to drive the users to the affiliate links. In some niches, particularly tech or finance, a single affiliate sale can earn you hundreds of dollars. Shopify, for example, can pay up to $150 for one affiliate. And the best part is passive income. Once you've made the videos, months can go by and they can still generate you revenue. The third way is brand partnerships and user-generated content. It's different from one-off sponsorships. These are often long-term relationships with brands. They often include regular sponsored content on your platform or creating content for the brand's own social media. You can easily charge $2,500 for these, and this will only grow over time. The fourth is digital products, and this is where you can really scale and where the big money comes in. Once you've built an authority and an audience in your niche, you can create online courses, digital product downloads, membership communities. You can even do mentoring or consulting services. I've seen creators with just 20,000 subscribers generate 5 figures monthly from their own products. Why? Because they're selling directly to an audience that already trusts them. When you provide free, valuable content on YouTube, you trigger what psychologists call the principle of reciprocity. Hope I got that right. Your viewers receive genuine value from you week after week, and this builds trust and it creates a natural desire to give back. So when you eventually offer a product or service, those viewers, they're more likely to support you because they feel they've received so much value from your free content. And ultimately, it's about building genuine relationships at scale through delivering consistent value to your viewers. And 5, some alternate revenue streams. As your channels grow, you'll unlock even more opportunities, although these are likely to be small in the grand scheme of things. There's channel memberships where subscribers can pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, super thanks and super chat during live streams, physical products that you can sell, potential speaking engagements or again consulting opportunities, and merchandise sales. This can be huge if you've got a massive audience, but honestly it's more on the side of the entertainment niches. Now that you understand the potential of content creation, let's talk about where you start. Before we dive into platforms, I want to share a fascinating story that changed my entire approach to content creation. A photography teacher once conducted an experiment. They split their class into 2 groups. The first group had one task: take one single perfect photo. That's it, one photo for their entire grade. The second group, they needed to take 100 photos. So this is quantity over quality. Here's the twist. The best photos didn't come from the perfectionists. They came from the quantity group. Why? Because they learnt through doing. Every shot taught them something new. Every mistake made them a better photographer. This is exactly why I'm such a strong advocate for short and medium form video content, especially when you're starting out. Let's break down the 5 main content creation platforms and find the right fit. First, there's short form written content on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Threads. The advantage here is immediate start potential. You can begin creating today with minimal technical skills. You can easily put out 10 to 15 pieces of content, which means rapid improvement and audience building. The major drawback, however, is monetization. These platforms typically generate minimal direct revenue, making it harder to build a sustainable income. Next is long-form written content, like newsletters and blogs. This requires strong writing and research skills, plus consistent output. The challenge here is volume. Producing quality long-form written content takes time, which means fewer opportunities to practice and refine your craft. While monetization through subscriptions and sponsorships is possible, it takes longer to build the necessary audience here. Long-form video, like podcasts, presents a similar challenge. While they can be highly profitable once established, they require significant production quality and time investment per episode. Building an initial audience is particularly challenging. You need to give viewers a compelling reason to invest 30 to 60 minutes of their time when they don't know you or your content yet. Do you watch brand new podcasts from someone you don't know? Probably not. Medium form video content, typically 5 to 30 minutes on YouTube, offers a solid balance. It gives you enough time to deliver substantial value while maintaining reasonable production demands. Each video requires scripting, filming, and editing. The monetization potential through ads, sponsorships, and product sales is huge. The time investment per video is significant, so your output will be lower than short form. Finally, short form video on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. This is where volume meets opportunity. You can create multiple pieces of content daily, meaning faster improvement and more chance to understand what works. The current platform algorithms really favour this kind of format as well, and the monetization through potential creator funds and brand deals is very substantial. The lower time investment per video means you can maintain consistency even if you've got a full-time job and responsibilities. So what do I recommend? Remember the photography parable from earlier? This is where it really matters. With short form video, you can create 20 to 30 pieces of content in the same time it takes to make one perfect long form video. But there's a balance to consider here as well. For me, I'd recommend either short form video or medium form video. If you're entirely new to content creation, have no idea what niche to make content about, are limited on time, short form content is probably for you. If you've got some idea on what niche you want to make content in, or a business or product idea and at least a couple of hours a week to put towards this, I'd recommend medium form video like YouTube, as the potential is huge and you can still create 50 to 100 bits of content with limited time in a year. Personally, I'm focusing on medium form content because I'm doing this full time and I believe the potential is absolutely huge. Whatever you choose, each time you create some content, here's what you need to be learning about: hooking the viewers in, storytelling, editing, audience engagement, and the platform algorithms. All of these things I'll be learning about and sharing my learnings with you as I embark on my journey. Just like those photography students, your first videos won't be perfect, but by your 100th video, you'll have learned more about content creation than someone still trying to perfect their first long form piece of content. Start small, start quick, but most importantly, just start. Think of this as step 1 in the roadmap. Pick your platform. Step 2 is deciding on your niche, which I'm going to cover in the next video. Think about it. In a year's time, you could have laid the foundations for quitting your job through content creation. Or you could be sat where you are now, having consumed just another year's worth of content. So if you want to start content creation or follow my journey, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. You can also join my Discord for a like-minded community looking to escape the rat race. The link to the No 9 to 5 Society is in the video description below.